Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, what I think is going to happen to the market. MCRT pumped 12% since I made the last video. Congratulations everyone. Pay attention to MCRT. It's a play to earn game that I'm the founder of. It's the first real play to earn game. Axie Infinity had a $5 billion market cap. We're currently sitting under $2 million market cap. So make sure you pay attention to MCRT. The link's down below where you can buy a PancakeSwap, MEXC, Bitmart, many exchanges. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals for Bitcoin, and we had that big pump up from the last video, which is beautiful, and Bitcoin broke out of this channel. If you're looking at this going, what is this? This is technical analysis. You can learn it with my almost 7,000 students. We've been moving in this channel here. Bitcoin broke out earlier today on the news of the 75-point basis rise and of the fact that the economy, the U.S. economy, went into recession 2 months. Now it's really in a recession 2 months in a row. But the market had already priced that in. What's interesting is we got a double rejection, a double top off that 24,000. But I think it made a slightly higher high. Everyone, that's really good news. It made a higher high. The previous high was here at 24,200, and then this high, but this was a rejection candle, so we've got to be careful here. But look at the volume coming in. Look at this buy volume coming into Bitcoin. But I would take profits here if I were you, if you would like, because there is, or move your stop loss just below this trend line here, because that was a double top. I'm remaining bullish though on Bitcoin because I think it was just too oversold, all that fear. And the big resistance line is actually at the top of this channel. This is the channel that Bitcoin's been going down since November last year when I called the day of the top. And the time to sell Bitcoin was that time at 69K when I called the day of the top in November 11th of November 2021. Now is time, in my opinion, to be buying. The big rejection that I expect is that once we get to the top of this trend line, this resistance, that's where we have to break through, which is sitting around here, 27,000, almost 28,000. That's the big resistance that Bitcoin needs to break through. Now we broke out of this channel, which is good. Stochastic is overbought on the daily. Squeeze mob is going towards the green still and heading up further. RSI is still got more to run, but the stochastic is overbought. On the 4 hourly, we got that big rejection candle, which is something to be interested in, but it got rejected hard, but then held, which is interesting. We're above the EMA ribbons, and usually Bitcoin follows the EMA ribbon, so it can come down here a little bit, so be careful. Crypto Guru Bot flashed back to a buy. Let's see what it says on the daily candles. On the daily, Crypto Guru Bot is still a buy, everyone, and this is something to watch really carefully, because you can see here when the Crypto Guru Bot fired a sell back in April 2022, it went from 42,000 down to here before it flashed a blue buy. And you can see the last one of the times that it had a big buy was down here where it flashed a buy. If you've been following my videos, on October 20, and ran all the way up to 62K. So this on the daily, it's quite accurate, the Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the master course. So on the hourly, stochastic very oversold. We had that, it fully reset the stochastic. RSI though is turning to head down. Stochastic fully reset though. On the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, or didn't fire a sell here, interesting, at the top. We're above the 200 weekly moving average. Stochastic is overbought. On the hourly, stochastic is oversold. On the 15 minutes, oversold also. So a little bit of a movement down, but a big reset on the stochastic, which is quite interesting. We've got a trend line that Bitcoin is currently moving up. This one here, that's a trend, and it is, in my opinion, making a kind of megaphone pattern, and it's also a bull flag that we're seeing here, bull flag pattern. So I think Bitcoin would continue up here, and it did break out of this big cup and handle that formed on Bitcoin. So the target of that cup and handle, which I actually called before it happened, which is beautiful, the target of this cup and handle will be still around here, 25,166. So it's close though. So move your trades into, move your stop losses into profits. Now, what would happen? I would actually set a long for Bitcoin on this support down here at 23,500. But just keep in mind that Bitcoin can really run here. But I would actually set the trade there in case. Ooh, but we're at the bottom of this channel. If it holds here, so okay, short term, I would do this trade. Very low risk to reward. Nice trade here. It's a 8.84 ratio trade, risking $84 to make $745. With 10x leverage, that'll be $7,450. It's a very small trade. This is in the short term, 15-minute candles, what trade I would take on Bitcoin. On the longer term, I would take this trade for Bitcoin, this bigger movement here. I would set I would take this trade. So I would open the trade from this support line here, stop loss just below these supports, and then the take profit at the top of this channel, at the top of the target. So here, that gives us, so that's the bigger trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'll move it across a little bit there. So those are the true trades. This is the small short-term trade that I would take, but still 8.84 ratio trade. So for every $84 you risk, you can make $745 profits without leverage. So 10x leverage, 7,000. And this trade is the bigger trade that I would take on Bitcoin. For every $450 you risk, you can make $4,312. 10x leverage will be $43,000 of profits. So very nice trades to be taking on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can go down below under the video here and sign up to Bybit, using this link down below. So go down below, sign up to Bybit. That's where I make my trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can buy long, short. You can long, short Bitcoin. You can buy spot position Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins. So go down below, sign up to Bybit. Use that link down below. You get a $4,450 US dollar sign up bonus when you use that link. That's the link that I would use to trade on Bitcoin. So that's where I'm going to show you my trades now. Over on Bybit, in here I've got 469,900, almost 470,000 US dollars in here. I sent around 20,000 or something, $7,000. Just I use this trading accounts now. 470,000 US dollars. It just moved. I've got 7.3 Bitcoin in, 175,000 USD, 124,000 Solana, 96,000 USDT, 22,000, and some Ethereum. My Bitcoin long is up $11,350, 189% in the profits. Look at it fluctuating, 11,256. Bitcoin is pulling back here, fluctuating around a lot. So this is the point. Those are the two trades that I would take. So to open this trade, so for example, this short-term trade, well, look at this. Bitcoin is spiking below. Let's see if it can hold this trend line. It's actually, look at that. It's actually holding exactly on the trend line. It quickly had a spike down just now as I'm making this video, held and moved back up, which is interesting. Let's see if this trend line holds and Bitcoin moves to the top of this channel. So I'd actually go long, 24,500. Those are the two longs that I would take. So for example, to set this long, you would open the trade where Bitcoin is sitting right now. It would have activated. So opening the trade at 23. So here is where the trade opens. The take profit is up here, and the stop loss is this red line down here. So that's how the trade would open, right? So the stop loss would be at 23,741. The trade opens at 23,825 where we're sitting, and the take profit at 24,570. And you can set that trade. That's and trading it on Bybit. So we're now look at Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum, then the total market cap. Total market cap, we almost reached 110 billion. We had a big pump in the crypto markets. Almost same formation. On the daily, stochastic quite overbought. Double topping here and getting rejected quite strongly, but the target is still, we broke out of this ascending triangle, this one here. The target is still the base of this triangle, the base of the ascending triangle, this distance here. So the target would be for Bitcoin, for crypto markets, 1.17 trillion. We came close, but it didn't actually hit that target yet. So the altcoins still can run. They've got more to run, but stochastic is overbought on the daily, so just keep that in mind. On the 4-hourly, stochastic overbought, so altcoins could pull back, but I think we're going to run to 1.17 trillion, so still another movement to go for Bitcoin, for the total market cap. Let's see if it's telling us anything else. We're trending, we've got a trend line for here for the total market cap of all cryptos. It's making another, look at that, it's making another ascending triangle here that already broke out. So the base of this triangle is actually the new target, this distance here. This is for all cryptocurrencies, the total market cap of all crypto. So Bitcoin, altcoins. So the target would actually be 1.3 trillion. So big movements can really happen very soon for Ethereum. I would actually take this. So I think all the altcoins and Bitcoin is about to do a massive run. Why? Because we have a bottoming formation and we have a giant cup and handle here. This cup and handle can be a massive movement. This cup and handle can take us this distance also. So we've got a lot of bullish patterns here. I think the total market cap of all cryptos are about to go for a big run to 1.3 trillion. Which is interesting. That means Ethereum is going to go for a run as well. Let's check out Ethereum. Also bottoming pattern, also giant cup and handle on Ethereum. Look at this, huge cup and handle. So I would actually, congratulations, by the way, if you took the long from my previous video, this one, you already hit the take profit, which is beautiful. I would actually go long here on Ethereum because the cup and handle formation that's forming on Ethereum, this one here, I teach you technical patterns in the Crypto Master course, is going to be taking you to 2,251. That's the target for Ethereum. So I'd actually go long on this support line. I'd go long from here, going long on Ethereum here. stop loss below the weekly, and the take profit at the top. That gives us a 6 ratio trade. For every $1,000, you make $6,000 without leverage. So 35% profits without leverage. 10x leverage, 350% profits. With 100x leverage, 3,500% profits. That's a trade I would take on Ethereum. This is my Bitcoin trade, 11,000 plus. In this account, 469,777. On Binance, I've got in here, today it's up. It's 487,000, but I sent 20,000, so it actually went up in the last few days a few 100,000. In here, I've got Bitcoin 10, Solana 106,000, BNB. I'm gonna buy more BNB. I'm gonna buy another $9,000 of BNB. I like to stack BNB on any pullback, so I'm gonna be buying another $9,000 worth of BUSD BNB. So BNB, BUSD. I'm gonna add another 9,000. Buy at the current price, executed. So that BNB is ordered to buy. It just bought it. So now I've got 85,000 BNB in here, which is beautiful. Those are my trades. By the way, MCRT had a big pump today. We're up. It's up 11.8 or 9%. Now sitting, the market, it's ranked 3,263. Market cap 1.75 million. Fully diluted 17 million. Volume $410,000 of volume today. And you can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can trade MCRT on PancakeSwap, on Bitmart, BitMEX, MEXC, a lot of exchange. So sorry, Bitmart, MEXC, PancakeSwap. You can buy MCRT using USD, BNB, etc. So pay attention to MCRT. That's the play to earn game that I'm building with the team is building. It's epic and it's ready, everyone. I can't wait to show you. Everyone making massive gains in the Telegram. This guy up 73% on a short with Ethereum. Bitcoin holding public companies. So these are the companies holding Bitcoin. Tesla, MicroStrategy holding 129,000 Bitcoin. Tesla, Galaxy Holdings, these are the companies that are holding Bitcoin. You can pause it and see. Thank you, James, for this wonderful analysis. I'm in a Telegram group as well, learning a lot. So proud of it. Grace, you, James Greer, you spent so much time with us already. Appreciate it. Thank you. Look at the students' gains in the Telegram as well. This student up 1,632%. This student up 81%. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin has processed $17 trillion in transactions compared to $13 trillion in 2021, which is very interesting. Bitcoin is all-time high transactions at the moment. So even though the price has been dropping, Bitcoin transactions have been going up. These students are making massive gains, and it's all free inside the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.